My Mexi-Mince recipe makes delicious little mini pies topped with a cheesy mash. Peel 700 to 800 grams of floury potatoes and pop them into a pot of cold salted water. Boil the potatoes until they're fork tender. Cut the pastry into circles. Re-roll the pastry so that 2 pastry sheets lines all of your muffin pans. Prick the pastry bases with a fork and pop in the oven. Bake the pastry shells for around 10 minutes until they're lightly golden. Mash the potatoes, add just enough milk to make a soft consistency, and stir in 1.5 cups of grated cheese. Season the mash with salt and pepper and set it aside. Fill the partially cooked pastry cases with the Mexi-Mince mixture. Top with the mashed potato and pop back in the oven until golden and crispy and the pastry's completely cooked.